Hoover, we're gonna like suck it on different parts of our face.
With?
And oh yeah, with this thing, Ida. Her name is Ida.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna start first, and I'm gonna do my forehead. Oh. Oh. Now we know a freaking unicorn's real. Ow! Oh. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the cheek.
Here, let me do it.
No.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Oh. That wouldn't come off. I had to like drag it down my face. Now we're gonna go chin. It looks like what it looks like. Oh! Oh, it looks like what it tickles so bad. It tickles.
Do your lips.
Go like.
Okay.
Now my lips. Woo! You feel like you want to spit in it. That just sucked all the spit out of my mouth. It like
Do your ear.
No, my earrings are in.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hold on, my nose. That just sucked all the snot out of my nose.
Mom, this is turning
No,
off.
not yet, not yet.
It has to go off.
Okay, well now, Ida, come here, it's your turn.
Okay.
Wait, now I'm gonna do my double chin.
Yeah. Just
Okay, it's your turn.
No. Okay.
Okay, cheek first.
Okay.
It's got a piece of your hair. Now your forehead. Come here, your forehead. Oh, it's got a piece of your hair.
It's in my eyebrow.
It got her eyebrow. Okay, your chin. It keeps sucking the pieces of her hair. Okay, your mouth.
No, I'll do that myself.
Okay. Now your nose. Come on, your nose. Do your nose. Your mouth again. Your mouth again. Okay. Oh my god, that's so cool. I want to do my mouth again.
You burn the Hoover out. You can't leave them on for that long.
Hold it against your forehead.
Okay.
Oh, I just plugged it out.
Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you. Please subscribe and like and comment.